My name's Mike Findlay. I'm a medical oncologist. I'm also a professor of medicine at the University of Auckland. My specialist interest is in the cancers of the gut. My passion is to try and get new treatments into the clinic for patients of mine and others to gain benefit in terms of improved outcomes. My motivation to get the Gut Cancer Foundation going was to try and increase the awareness in the community for this group of cancers, but also to raise money to help support clinical trial research. The idea of a clinical trial is to determine what you're trying to demonstrate. One trial might be purely looking to reduce the risk of a side effect, and therefore the new intervention may provide a lower rate of sickness, for example. Other studies may be designed to increase the long-term survival of patients. The bottom line is that we're looking to improve the cure rate for that group of patients. Funding clinical trials is complicated in New Zealand because generally there aren't enough funding pools that will enable you to fund the entire study on its own. Because these studies would not start in New Zealand without extra money, any donations that come through the Gut Cancer Foundation and get approved by our scientific committee for use in particular clinical trials, that enables us to then open the trial in New Zealand. Many of the trials that we run are run internationally, and there may be as many as 50 countries and several hundred centres. Undoubtedly, to have New Zealand clinicians involved in trials that are international keeps the New Zealand workforce in New Zealand and upskilled enough, and the Gut Cancer Foundation has an enormous role in that particular aspect of the research. The message for the supporters of the Gut Cancer Foundation is thank you very much. It's really inspiring to see the level of support, which is not just in the money side of things, which is important to make the wheels of research move, but it's also to see that each of you can be advocates for the group of diseases we see as gut cancer, and do your own thing to spread the word about how this is an important problem to try and get on top of.